In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WWE 2K18 not launching and crash on startup issues. Let's fix it, guys. Open up File Explorer and go to Documents and open the WWE 2K18 folder. Right click on the config and select delete option. The config is often corrupted or unsupported settings. So deleting this can fix the problem. Now launch the game and the game will create a fresh config file, and as you can see it has been created new one. If that method doesn't fix, right click on the config and select edit in notepad. If the game crashes because your PC is low end, forcing low settings in the config can let it launch. You just need to make sure three options are off, and audience density 30, audience delineation off, depth of field off, motion blur off, shadows off, simple lighting off, texture quality off, and resolution set this to 720 into 1280, windowed set to no, and check file and select save option, and now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it, select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings, scroll down and select manage controlled folder access and make sure to turn off this controlled folder access. This will block the game and the game fails to launch. So turning off can fix your problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.